loves, this is Clara. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of my Cloth and Paper February subscription box. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. So when you open the box, you would first see the what's inside card. So this box that you'll be getting from Cloth and Paper, it would have whatever is in the what's inside card. So you'll get the task delegation inserts, structure dashboard, own your story dashboard, resolute dashboard, Pantheon plan dashboard, Neptune circle sticky notes, line graph and dot grid sticky notes, and the journaling cards. So I've seen a few Instagram stories, Instagram posts, YouTube videos. Like I'm tempting like not to watch any videos at all. I'm like super excited because this time I got my box late. It's not the usual time that I get the box. So let's see. Let's see now what's inside this box. Wow. So first we have this one, and it says, the key to success is to start before you are ready. Definitely. So it's blank at the back. So if you guys are wondering what I did with the last one that I got from Cloth and Paper, I actually put it in on a frame. So there you go. You can do the same. You just cut off the sides so it would fit on your frame. There you go. Let's see. Let's put this on the side. So we got this dashboard. Oh, and if you guys are wondering why my size right now is in personal, is because when I had the problem on my last subscription box, I changed it to personal size. So there you go. So this is the first dashboard that I got. Put on the side. This is the resolute dashboard. It says admirably purposeful, determined, and unwavering. There you go. Oh wow, this is so nice. Own your own story. There you go. This is so nice. This is the other dashboard, the structure dashboard. Wow. Having and manifesting a clearly defined structure. Or is this a typo? Do you guys notice this part? Is this a typo or is it just me? Organization or organization? There you go. Wow, this is nice. So this is the task delegation insert. Wow. So they put like a sample page or a demo page so you would know what to write on this task delegation list. Oh. It says here personal. There you go. Oh, these are the sticky notes. Shed 2. This is the graph one. And shed 2. Is this the color? There you go. Shed 2. And then this one is the line sticky notes. Okay, this is nice. I hope you guys are seeing the color, the true color of it. So this is porcelain. 5x3. And then we have another one which is a shed 2 as well. A dot grid sticky note. There you go. Okay. Oh wow. I like this one. So this is the Neptune Circle sticky note. I like the color of it. I don't know how many, it doesn't say like how many pages is it. This is this one. And these are my journaling cards. So let me open it and take off the plastic so I could show you one by one. So here's the April matte card, or plastic card, sorry. We have another one where it says change is inevitable, growth is optional. There you go. Oh, this is the matte card, the April one. Wow, this is nice. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Definitely. We are in charge of our future. And then the last one is aspire not to have more, but to be more. So true. Well, I guess like I've seen some posts, some of them are not happy with their subscription. I mean, maybe because they are expecting more. But like, this is my own opinion. I'm okay with it. I'm not happy with it, but I'm fine with it. Like with the purchase price that I paid these items for, it's really good. So we'll do a recap of what I got. So we got this one, and then we've got the dashboard. So I got 4. The Resolute dashboard. I have this one, the owner story, and then the structured dashboard. Then we also have this task delegation inserts. Then we have 4 sticky notes. So we have this one, which is a dot grid sticky note sheet 2. And we have a porcelain lined sticky note. And then this is sheet 2 graph sticky note. Well, I am not sure why both says sheet 2, but they're not the same color. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. So here's the other sticky note. And then the Neptune Circle sticky note. Then we have journaling cards. So we have this one, this one, this one. There you go. The last would be this plastic card. There you go. So these are the items that I got from my February subscription box. So if you guys are interested in subscribing, I will put the link below in the description box. You would be able to search a lot of videos in YouTube. Like if you are someone right now who's thinking, do I really want this subscription? The subscription varies every month, so it's not the same that you'll be getting these items. So if you are a person who loves surprises, then definitely you can subscribe with them, and then you get your money's worth, because if you buy these individually, it would cost you more. So with the subscription box, I got it 3 months prepay for $100. So you'll be paying like around $33.33 per month if you get the 3-month subscription. So the total of this bag, these items individually, is really much more than what I have paid for it. So you're really getting a good deal out of it. So if you are someone who are into subscription box, I love their subscription box, but you don't get the same deal every month, because we have different preferences in terms of the items that we want to receive in our Subscribe to my channel